Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Display Settings, right-click the desktop and pick Display Settings. Once there, note the scale value 100% is typical, 125% or 150% enlarges everything. Now, move to the section labeled Change the Size of Text, Apps, and Other Items, and use the slider or preset to pick a rough starting point. Make sure to watch the screen preview as you adjust, because that gives immediate feedback on how icons will scale versus text. Next, fine-tune icon size directly on the desktop. Click the desktop to focus, hold Control, then scroll your mouse wheel up or down to get precise icon scaling. Alternatively, open File Explorer and use the View menu to select details, small, medium, large, or extra large icons inside folders. Once done, remember that desktop size and folder icon sizes can be independent, so repeat both actions if necessary. These methods let you balance density and readability. To finish, sign out or restart to ensure scaling changes apply system-wide. Some apps need a relaunch to render correctly. If icons look blurry or misaligned after changing scale, set scale back to a standard value like 100% or 125% and test again. Also, update your graphics drivers when scaling causes artifacts. This often resolves rendering problems. If something still goes wrong, use display settings to revert, and then try the Control plus mouse wheel method more gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.